This 2004 Newmar Kountry Star M3905 is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features a tan cream interior, sleeps 6, awning, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, TV, water heater, slide-out, DVD player, refrigerator, leveling jacks, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen. This 2004 Newmar Kountry Star M3905 is built on a Workhorse W-22 chassis and is powered by a CAT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.